Eggs, they're small, affordable, and packed with nutrition. But are you really making the most of them? Welcome to Healthy Horizons, where we bring you the best tips to live your healthiest life. Today, we're diving into the best ways to add eggs to your diet so you can unlock all the benefits they have to offer. Let's crack into it. Eggs are nature's multivitamin. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like B12, D, and A. They also provide choline, crucial for brain health, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes. And here's the kicker, all of this for just about 70 calories. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, support your brain, or improve your overall energy, eggs have something for everyone. But not all egg dishes are created equal. Over frying your eggs in lots of oil? That cancels out the benefits. Skipping the yolk because you're afraid of cholesterol? You're missing out on most of the nutrition. And eating eggs the same way every day? That gets boring and may reduce variety in nutrients. So, what's the best way to add eggs into your routine for maximum benefits? Start your day strong with eggs. Try a veggie-loaded omelet with spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Or go for boiled eggs with avocado toast, a perfect mix of protein, healthy fat, and fiber. In a rush? Scramble 2 eggs and stuff them in a whole wheat wrap with some greens. Pro tip, add turmeric to your scramble for anti-inflammatory benefits. Don't reserve eggs just for breakfast. Make a power-packed salad with boiled eggs, chickpeas, cucumber, and olive oil. Or cook up a shakshuka, eggs poached in tomato sauce, delicious, filling, and full of antioxidants. Need a healthy midday snack? Hard-boiled eggs are a great portable option. Sprinkle them with black pepper or paprika for extra flavor. Or make egg muffins, beaten eggs baked with veggies in a muffin tin, easy to prep ahead and great for on-the-go snacking. Yes, you can eat eggs for dinner too. Egg fried rice made with brown rice, peas, and carrots is both nutritious and satisfying. Or try an egg curry with minimal oil and lots of spices, perfect with a side of whole grains or quinoa. Most healthy people can safely eat 1 to 2 eggs per day. If you're active, pregnant, or following a low-carb diet, you might even benefit from more. Still worried about cholesterol? Recent studies show that dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol for most people. As always, balance is key. Pair your eggs with veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. Not all eggs are the same. Whenever possible, choose pasture-raised or organic eggs. These often have more omega-3s and better nutrient profiles. And yes, those bright orange yolks? That's usually a good sign of a healthier egg. So, the best way to get more benefits from eggs? Cook them simply, eat them consistently, and mix things up. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack time, eggs can be your daily health ally. If you learned something new today, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy living tips from Healthy Horizons. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.